Hi friends, I'm Likhitha H. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Code to Create. In today's video, you're going to see how to create an app that predicts our emotions. So let's get started. Let me say capture image and predict. Yes. You can see first prediction is you're angry or the second prediction is going to be sad. Yes, you can see prediction 1 is angry and prediction 2 is sad because I've kept this kind of phase of angry or of sad. So now let's see how to create this model. I'm gonna go up to Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Let me show you guys the HTML code first and then let's go to the JS code. First inside the head I've put few bootstrap links of the font size and all about that, and of JS, of webcam JS and all, and then I've created a body. Inside the body I've created a class. Inside the body I've created a division and I've set the class as container. We need a container here, so I've set the class as container. Inside the division I've put a center because we need everything into the center part. You can see other than the webcam we need the whole thing into the center part. And then I'm gonna say h3 class is equal to button warning head. I'm gonna say emotion to emoji app. Here emotion to emoji app. So here inside this I'm gonna put few more images. You can see BR I've given a break, that means we're gonna move down, and I've put all span in. I've created a span and inside this span I've put all the images, and these are all the links of images. Like these are image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, like that. And that's the end of h3. And then we have P, that's paragraph, and style I've set to font size. I've created a style here and I've set the font size to 22 pixels, whatever I write inside this P. And I've told take your selfie to generate emoji. Yes, take your selfie to generate emoji. And then I'm gonna say, are you happy? I've created a B and I've told, are you happy, are you sad, or are you angry? And then I've created a division, that's webcam. And then I've created a division, and inside the division I've created a label, and that's going to be the webcam. And then I've told division ID is equal to camera, and on click take snapshot. So this is going to be the webcam view, and whenever I tell capture image, it's going to capture the image, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna say so I'm gonna say on click take snapshot. Take snapshot is a function, and do not worry, I'll be showing it for you guys. And I've told class is equal to button warning, and I've set the text for this button as capture image, and that's going to be the end of button, and that's going to be the end of division. And then I've created another division. Inside the division I've created a label of saying prediction 1, and I'm gonna create a P, that's paragraph, and I've set the class as emoji name and ID as result emotion name. And then in the P, another P I've made, and that's going to be of prediction 2 and another emoji of for this prediction 2. And then I've told ID, I've created a P again, and this is going to be of the updating the emoji. You can be happy, sad, angry, and so. And then I've created a class, and that's going to be a snapshot. I have labeled it as snapshot. And here I've created a button inside this division, and I've told on click check, and that's going to be of prediction of images. So when I say predict, yes, you can see. Yeah, so it's going to say predict emotion, the text over there, and that's going to be the end of division and end of center. And then I've told, and that's going to be end of division and end of center. And then I've told a script, and I've linked HTML to JS. I have linked JS to HTML, and that's end of body, and that's end of HTML code. Now let me create a new file and show the JS code for you guys. Identify underscore emotion, I'm gonna keep dot JS. Let's begin with the JS code. But before beginning with the JS code, I have to link this JS what we are writing to the HTML. So identify. Yes, I've copied this till the function speak. Now what we're gonna do is first let me explain you guys what is this till function speak, and then we need to create another function that's got result. Let's do that. Yeah. Let me move here and explain it to you guys. First, I've set the prediction text, that is prediction 1 and prediction 2. And then I've set what should we do for the webcam. So I've told webcam.set, I've set the width to 350, height to 350, and the image format to PNG. Whatever we do, if you want to download it, save the image, you have those options. So that time I'm going to save it in the form of PNG. And then I've told the quality of PNG, I've set it to 90. Then I've told camera is equal to document.getElementById by ID camera. That's going to be the division camera. And then I've told webcam.attach camera. That is going to be this camera. That is going to be the division camera. And then I've told function. I've created this function take snapshot. That is going to be here when we told of the webcam view. We have to click take snapshot. Only then it takes the snapshot, right? So I've created that function. I told webcam.snap. Function data URI. Data URI is a predefined function. That's going to be a snap. And then I've told document.getElementById by ID result.html. And whatever the image we have captured, I have put it inside this. I've displayed it in the web view and in the webcam view. And then I've told console.log ML5 version. I have displayed the version of this ML5. And then I have told this classifier is equal to image classifier. This is going to be a teachable machine. Let me show you guys teachable machine. Yes, I have off this. So now let me on it. Yes. This is going to be of happy. And let me just show you guys for sad. That's enough. Yeah. And then I'm gonna name this class 1 as happy and this class 2 as sad. And then I'm gonna say train model. It's training. And you have the extra information, that's epochs of 50. If we want, we can increase it, and batch size of 16, learning date. Now let me show a happy face for it to understand that I'm happy. Yes, you can see it shows 95, 96, near 90s. And let me move to my JS Visual Studio Code. And then I've told model loaded is console.log. I'm going to print that this model is loaded, the classifier is loaded. And then I'm going to say function speak variable syn is equal to windows.speech synthesis. This is going to be of what this syn is going to be, that this is going to be the function speak. That means it's going to speak when we call this, and it's a predefined function. And then I've told speak data 1 prediction. The first prediction is prediction 1 and speak data 2, and the second prediction is prediction 2. Yes, I've copied this got result function from my reference file. What I did here was I've told if it's having any error, then I'm going to print out this error, else I'm going to print this result up, and I'm going to store this result in a label, and I'm going to say prediction 1 is going to be a result of label. So it's going to get the label of prediction. And then I've created 3 if conditions here. That is, if you're happy, then I'm going to update emoji to happy, and this is going to be the happy text, and I'm going to update that. And the same for sad and same for angry. So now let's run it. Let's go live and see if it works. Yes, now it should come. Let me reload. Try it again. Yes. I am going to say predict, and this should show me the prediction. Predict emoji. I'm going to say predict emotion. And here I'm gonna get the prediction, and whatever I did for the prediction 1 is I did the same for the prediction 2, that is second prediction here I've done. And I've told utter this is it's gonna be speak data 2 also, that's gonna be the prediction 2. And then here I've created 6 if labels, And here I've created if conditions of 6. That's going to be results 1. That's going to be prediction 2. Label is equal to happy. Then I'm going to update emoji 2 to happy. If it's sad, I'm going to update it to sad. And if it's angry, I'm going to update it to angry. Now let me move here and let me say disposing. And let me go. Yes, you can see. Let me see predict. Yes. I've told first prediction is angry and second prediction is sad, and if spoke out that this is going to be the first prediction and this is going to be the second prediction. Yeah, now we know how to predict emotions. That's great. Thank you, friends. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Bye bye.